You're watching Mining Headlines on mining.com. I'm Devin Murrigan. The US and Japan have signed a new framework agreement to secure supplies of rare earths and critical minerals, aiming to curb reliance on China. President Donald Trump and Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi finalized the deal in Tokyo during Trump's Asia tour. It covers cooperation on extraction, recycling, and investment across key supply chains, though no direct funding is included. Japanese firms are eyeing up to $400 billion in US projects linked to the agreement. Analysts say the deal signals growing support for price floors and a Western-led effort to build more resilient mineral networks. Well, copper climbed to a fresh record on Wednesday as signs of easing US-China trade tensions lifted investor sentiment. Prices on the London Metal Exchange rose to $11,146 a ton, surpassing last year's peak. The metal has gained more than 24% this year, its strongest run since 2017. Analysts say optimism over a trade deal and tight global supply are keeping prices elevated. Copper's surge follows a volatile year marked by tariffs and policy uncertainty that disrupted global markets. Well, Glencore shares jumped 9.3% on Wednesday after the Swiss miner said it remains on track to meet full-year production targets. The company eased investor concerns over further setbacks, noting copper output will likely finish near the lower end of forecasts. Shares closed valuing Glencore at nearly £44 billion, or about $56 billion. Well, Glencore trimmed its copper guidance to between 850 to 875,000 tons. That's down from 890,000. It puts production roughly 40% below 2018 levels. The update follows a strong third quarter rebound, helping restore confidence after years of missed goals. Mali's government has cancelled more than 90 exploration permits, including those held by subsidiaries of Harmony Gold, IAM Gold, Cora Gold, Birimian Gold, and Resolute Mining. Authorities say the companies failed to comply with new mining rules requiring updated documentation. The permits issued between 2015 and 2022 have now been released and opened for reallocation. The move is part of a regional push by African nations to tighten oversight and reclaim control over natural resources. Cora Gold said the cancellations have no impact on its operations, as the affected permits were surrendered 2 years ago. Agnico Eagle Mines has created a new subsidiary, Avenir Minerals Limited, to manage $80 million in early-stage critical mineral projects. The Toronto-based miner will invest $50 million up front and retain first refusal rights on future deals. Avenir will focus on non-gold assets in Canada through partnerships and government-backed programs. Now, the move follows Agnico's $180 million investment in Perpetua Resources' Idaho Gold Antimony project and comes as gold prices lift the company's quarterly results. That's where we leave your news headlines for now.